All systems activated. We're going to start the Phu Cat Show right now.
Alright, I am now home. Or I just went that way. I had an as-I-lay dying test today and I thought it was easy. Even when it wasn't multiple choice. What's this? Oh, and the phone rings. Let's see here. Well, we're going to see. Hey. Oh, there.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics. To the classics. To the classics.
To the classics.
I'm filming you.
Oh! That's a stink bug, dummy. That's a beetle, dude. Stink bug.
Wants to have the camera.
But you gonna eat it? Why? But you gonna eat it, man? Such a real nice guy. Gonna sting you and then you're gonna be like, oh my God. He's gonna rip Hugo.
Just like that horror movie. I don't remember what it's called, but tarantulas come to it. It was an Italian movie. Was it on him?
No, man, that's under his shoe. Like right here. See that little dung beetle right there? Tiny part. Is it going in your pants? No, man. It's right there. Push it in there. What the fuck you guys are trying to do? I don't even know. It's not moving no more. Oh! I touched it, dude. It was right under the thing. It was gonna. I think it went.
Where is it?
There's a beetle. It's in your pants. It went in. It's all in your
Hold
pants.
on, man. Oh, there it is. There it is.
It crawled all the way over here under Hugo. We're sitting there trying to find it.
You want the camera?
Where did it come from, dude? I saw it come out over there. Dude, we have spiders and everything down here. It's working out. That's a spider right there. It transformed into a beetle. Well, let's get back to working out. Yeah, come on, man. Time to work out for this love. Who's over here? He's like, I'm gonna go to the gym. Do my homework.
Yeah. We got plenty to do.
Woo! Slavery right here. Hey, whose water bottle is that? Whose water bottle is that? I don't know. Mine, man. We need a basketball.
I guess I'm the only person that knew that.
Yeah, you are the only person that knew that.
Is there not knowing?
Everybody, you're an idiot. Scream. That it?
It's the commercial that Scream. No, not Scream.
It is from a scary movie. Where's my phone? I got it, dude.
It's on that thing.
Blow me all, y'all.
Oh yeah, it's on it.
What thing?
That one thing. That one thing we keep talking about, Mom? Yeah, you know the one thing.
The Loch Ness Monster, I think?
Let's go find where that music's coming from now.
Yeah, let's go do that for real. Still playing?
Nope, it's not. You got it? You got everything?
Hey, music's gone.
You got everything?
Music makes me want to shit.
And the music's gone. Shh. I don't hear it.
It's gone. The crickets aren't even chirping anymore. You got frogs now. Frogs ate all the crickets. Chirping in this storm.
Oh shit, a snake. Hey, we forgot our friend, the spider.
Oh yeah.
He's still doing my weight.
He's living in there. He's like, man, where's that potato at?
Yeah. Shit smells good as hell. You gonna kill him?
No, dude. No point in killing it.
It's not even gonna get.
You owe me 100K, dude. On the real, you owe me 100K. I'm gonna give you 100K for real.
The real one, huh?
Doing this shit.
Get the straw.
Brother, you guys got everything, right?
Yeah. What did we forget?
I'm just making sure.
I think one lost
His virginity.
his Loch Ness monster.
Alright, where are we going?
I don't know.
I
Same
guess
shit we always do.
I guess we'll go
Smell
play
like
League of
fish.
Legends.
What?
Play some League of Legends.
Smell like fish, like it.
I don't even know what I'm gonna do.
There's a dog over there. I want a deer.
Nice, dude.
It looked like a black dog from here.
You look like a Loch Ness monster.
Where was I don't know, that music, man.
Open the windows up or something.
Can't open mine up. Only Phu can.
Alright, let's listen for that,
It's not out here, dude.
It might have moved. You hear it?
Nope.
You hear it? Oh, why is that coming?
Yeah. Shout out. Give a shout out.
To no teachers.
It's supposed to be Miss Matthews.
Our teacher didn't show up today, so we just chill in class.
Yes.
Mr. Beaver's is right here. But don't show the camera at
Today,
So, quite frankly, we don't have a teacher, and we did have a teacher at the beginning of class, but we don't anymore.
you can't.
We got the beat.
And is that a note?
No lockdown at school.
It's Miss Matthews.
This video.
I'm always videoing. That's my reason.
Hectic class without teacher.
Oh,
We're overshooting.
That was so different from the other one.
I'm gonna get one piece even though it's my gun.
Dude, just have the whole.
Yeah, I just grabbed one of my pieces of gum. I just grabbed one of my pieces of gum. The PhuCat Show. The PhuCat Show. The PhuCat Show.
Oh.
See the floors too. They all left.
The office is the grumpy old man.
Miss Sharp's class.
Miss Sharp.
Miss
Best-
Williams' class is down there.
Miss Sharp, the best science teacher, and Miss Peace, the best science teacher. Miss Sharp, Miss Davis. Miss Davis, and okay. No, she's good, I guess. The nicest science teacher.
Davis is too easy.
Miss Davis, the nicest science teacher, and Miss Creel, she's fair.
This girl's fair. He has to make you like memorize a periodic table.
Yeah, but I'm taking CP.
Well, I think CPA students have to do that too.
Yeah,
If you're like in this Krill.
you have to memorize the periodic table. Yeah, Miss Creel. Taking CPA, I don't know why. I'm taking CPA. It's pretty easy class.
CPA is easy. Basically the same as CP really.
Totally CPA.
Mr. Williams, he'll let you look at your periodic table. But he doesn't like want you like writing stuff on there to cheat.
He doesn't want you to what?
Like write stuff on there to cheat.
Man, right now we'll be listening to my iPod, but
Okay, we're not playing League in real life, man. I'll get one of those canes. Kick your hell.
You doing that?
Poison dart, whatever this shit called.
Oh, nigga, that was Lee Sims' kick.
You went like this.
Lee Sims' kick. That was just a sound effect before he rushed you. It's okay, man. I'm just out there to enjoy the chilling. See, you hear the entertainment over there already.
Police?
You know, it's the guy like that just drove by us.
Good. Focus the Asians.
So many drunks out there already. Look, you see those little steps, dude?
Yeah.
I can't believe it costs like $1,000 just to get that from the.
The manufacturer?
Yeah.
Why don't you just not get them and then...
I know, that's what I was saying. I was like, why the fuck does it cost $1,000 from the manufacturer?
These things right here on the side?
Yeah, there's little steps.
Over here.
Yeah, on the Tacoma.
Little light things. Dude, I saw one new ones. Retard.
It's right there. You see the step?
There you go. There's another one.
Damn, it's not. One!
Look at that stuff.
Good truck,
Oh,
dude, what the hell? I thought you were talking right here. Oh,
What the fucking I'm pointing over here? And he's like, oh, I thought you were pointing over there.
What the hell?
Hey, one, it's this way, man.
I seen the truck.
Yeah, those steps.
Right,
Those,
yeah, on the side.
Right. Those colors.
Damn, I guess everybody's going to the chili cookout.
Border the bridge. Drunk ahead.
Too much chili.
Maybe. Man, you guys don't even lock the door. First, yeah, I forgot, man. Man, I got exclusive You won't even close this door, Jesus. God, man. Jesus, I swear, man, let's get you.
I know.
Really?
You got a pass. You got a pass. Alright. We need 5 from you. Okay. They got you.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Hold on, guys.
No, these are mine.
You let me get one.
I paid for your fucking mission.
I was paying.
Give me $5 to give you 2 of them. Oh shit. Yeah, that's fair. This is awesome. I've never had so many votes in my life.
Look at those, man. Look at those gangster knowledge.
Okay, never mind. I want you. I take that back.
I was gonna vote for my favorite chili. Dude, you don't have a chill. I was gonna vote for the one that tastes good.
Yeah, we're allergic reaction.
The one that tastes good and spicy.
Really? Go for the one that tastes like shit.
Allergic reaction. Bro, boils, guys, boils. Gotta go home.
Honestly, my vote is going to go on whoever makes me the best.
Want to make
At the one like it. The trick is that it touches my tongue up. I have to take it.
Beer was the best chili so far.
The one in front of us? The one with the there? I had one that was really good. The Budweiser chili.
He's a brewer. An engineer brewer.
Cat Show. I hate holding these cups, but I want to keep it.
Keep it.
You got your little pink bag? In the cup.
Go. Put a second on.
Oh, you got to put the tags in here now.
Oh, hold on. Oh man.
Appreciate it.
If you want to cool down, take one. If you want to cool down, take it.
Hey, y'all need a bowl?
I want a bowl.
You want a bowl of it?
Oh, bowl.
The hottest one.
I'll get you a bowl of it. You want crackers? Just chill.
You want a bowl?
Just chill.
Oh, if you want a bowl, we'll give you a bowl.
I know he was the one who asked for it, and he don't even want it now.
No, he's asking.
It's too hot for
What do
you.
you want? Wait a minute, you said it's too hot? No, it's not. It was pretty good. I like it.
What's this for? Hey.
Filming now?
Yeah.
Film everywhere.
Huh?
Film everywhere.
Alright. What is this for?
CRBI is coloring t-shirts.
Oh, okay.
You want to color a t-shirt?
Oh, I don't think so. Well, $6. Alright, later. Oh, just for a boat.
It's too hot. Oh.
Man, I wish it had like an all the way zipper. Man, these jackets never have all the way zippers. I had to like pull it off from up here.
For real?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I was supposed to iron my sweater.
Actual Gatorade.
Julio!
I thought you saw like the Gatorade Plus.
Wearing my Facebook Rome shirt too.
How about that? How's this look, fool?
LA.
Says. So, man, how's it look? Pretty neat.
LA as in looks awesome.
Looks awesome. You wanna go LA? Yeah. I haven't LA'd in years, man.
Who's gonna be like, you mean who is this guy in bed with you?
Charlie, you're that arrow
So-
thing.
Go.
No, Google. No full screen.
Those customers were out of line, leading to a cashier going out of control. It happened when a woman server at a New York City McDonald's questioned a $50 bill that two women had given him. One of the women in the video then started cursing at him, slapped him, even jumped the counter. Her friend followed her. Now, the server reacts, grabbing some sort of metal pipe. He shouldn't be fighting. Now, the server reacts, grabbing some
Alright, 3 times the charm, keep going. The customers are and are facing